Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss exercise 14.4 of construction, and that is part 3. So, student, come on, question of first. देखो, question of first is given. Draw a line segment AB, mark any point M on it. तो देखो, first we will follow step by step, and construction you will write on yourself. जैसे what you are performing, you will write on the form of language. ठीक है ना? देखो, जैसे first we will draw a line segment. First we will draw a line segment AB. ठीक है ना? तो what you will write down, student? First you will write down. First we will draw a line segment AB. Clear? This is line segment AB. Next is given. Mark any point M on it. Mark any point M on it. तो देखो, I am taking mark, मतलब I am taking point M on it. So this is line segment AB. The first step, what you will write down? You will write down. अच्छा, in examination, if question will come, you have to write down steps of construction. The first step you will write down कि draw line segment AB of any length. Step 1. Step 2, you will write down what? Mark the point M on it. I will not write down construction. You will write down in your language. ठीक है ना? Because everything I am explaining, you will write down in your language. So first, draw line segment of AB. First, second, mark the point M on it. Mark the point M on it. ठीक है? देखो this one. Up you have to draw the perpendicular. अब you know that perpendicular is like that. This is our perpendicular. So we have to construct perpendicular. कैसे? देखिए ध्यान से. We have to construct ना. तो देखो M is given ना. तो mark an R from M. From M. Mark an R. देखिए जैसे you will put your pointer on M and you will mark an R. This is our R. ठीक है? This is our R from M. From M. अब next thing is that we have to draw perpendicular. ठीक है? तो what you will do? देखो, here you will put pointer, ठीक है ना? And take more than half. You will take more than half. देखो, this is more than half. Stretch your compass more than half, and again you will draw like that, one arc upside. ठीक है ना? Again from this point you will draw another arc. देखो ध्यान से. From this point you will stretch your compass more than half. देखो more than half I stretch, and you will draw a arc upside. ठीक है? Again from this point you will draw another arc which cut the previous arc like that. Clear, student? अब you can give name. You can give name. This is C. This is D. अब देखो क्या करेंगे. Next thing you will join. You will join. You will join like that. तो देखो. See, this is our perpendicular. देखो, clear everyone? First, you will draw a line segment AB. Next, you will mark the point M on it. ठीक है? Next, what you will do? From this M, you will draw an R. You will draw an R. Again, from this point, मतलब from one side, you will stretch your compass more than half, which is more than half to the arc. So more than half, one arc upside. From this point, one arc upside. ठीक है ना? And both arc will be cut. ठीक है? You can give name here Q. Clear, student? तो देखो, when you this arc cut on the point, this is the point of intersection, then you will join from this one. अच्छा, when you will draw now, तो देखो this point will come straight and touch the M. When this line is not touching M, it means your construction is wrong. So be careful. Clear, student? चलिए. So this is question number first. Construction you will write down yourself. Now come to the question number second. Second is given. You will try yourself. देखिए ruler and set square is given है, तो set square it is given in your box. Set square like जैसे ऐसे. Some set square are given. Pair of set square was given in your box. ठीक है ना? तो you will use your set square and try to yourself. जैसे first you will draw the line. ठीक है ना? Like that. You will put a set square of 90 degree. So this will come and like this will come. You will try yourself. Then I will explain. ठीक है ना? First you will try yourself. चलिए. Come on, question number third. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड इज गिवन ड्रा लाइन L एंड पॉइंट X ऑन इट। देखो फर्स्ट इज गिवन ड्रा लाइन L, तो वी विल ड्रा द लाइन L। Length is not given, length is not fixed, so this is our line L. Okay student, now next thing is given point X on it, mark the point X on it। तो चलो again I am marking point X। next is given through X draw line segment XY। देखो through X draw line segment XY which is perpendicular to L। again you have to repeat the same process student, again we have to repeat the same process। देखिए from X, this is our X, ठीक है ना, again we will take an R, again we will take R ऐसे, ठीक है। अब you have to draw the perpendicular line, तो how you will draw student? again from this point you will stretch your compass more than half। देखिए this is more than half, clear students? तो 1 arc upside and from this point again 1 arc which is cut, which intersect, ठीक है, like that। again what you will do student, the next step we will join, next step we will join। देखिए this is perpendicular, clear student ना, little bit long। So this is our, देखो this is perpendicular to this line ना, ठीक है। तो first to the things first done। now next is given, देखो in this question same, अच्छा this is what, this is XY, this is you can take Y, ठीक है ना, this is Y। now next is given now draw perpendicular to XY at Y। अब देखिएगा draw perpendicular XY, you have to draw the perpendicular XY at Y, means जैसे this is given ना, this is our Y, अब on Y you have to draw the perpendicular, मतलब you have to draw a line like that, ठीक है ना, you have to draw a line like that। अब जैसे now next what we can do, we will repeat the same process, ठीक है ना, on this line। first you draw perpendicular on L, so this is perpendicular। second this is the line XY, you have to draw the perpendicular on XY, ठीक है ना। तो first तो we draw, next we will again we draw। देखेंगे ध्यान से, देखिए again we have to draw ना, तो here we can take pointer और we have to draw an arc, again we have to draw an arc। देखिए this line should be little bit long, what about students, this line will be little bit long। अब mark here Y anywhere, जैसे this is Y, so again we have to draw the perpendicular, again we have to draw the perpendicular। so here you can put your compass और we will take an arc, ठीक है ना, same process we have to repeat students। देखो this is our arc, ठीक है। again what we will do student, देखो from this stretch your compass more than half, तो more than half, this is more than half and you will cut an arc, ठीक है। from this again you will cut an arc like that। देखो ध्यान से, देखो very carefully you have to do। again what we will do, we will join this, we will join this। when you join student देखो ना, तो this is our perpendicular, तो देखो first perpendicular is this one, second perpendicular is this one, ठीक है ना। and you can give the name, जैसे anything you can give name, जैसे A, this is B, देखो name is given in your book, not given, or here you can give name, any name you can give, CD, C C, देखो this is what C, this is what D, ठीक है ना, and here you can give any name. चलो तो देखो first what we did, a line segment AB, sorry, a line segment L of any length. Second, first we draw an arc of any radius. Again we draw a perpendicular. The perpendicular you know how to draw, ठीक है ना, from this point more than half, from this point you will cut two arc, ठीक है ना, when two arc cut, so this is the point of intersection, so you will join the straight line. Again you will give the name Y, ठीक है ना, of this straight line. Up from this Y we draw the perpendicular line, ठीक है ना. So what we do, from Y we draw another arc. From this point we still compass more than half, ठीक है, फिर more than half one arc, and from this point another arc, then this is the point of intersection, then we join the point. अच्छा, when we are joining the straight line ना, so this will touch this point, then your diagram is correct, otherwise diagram is incorrect. So बेटा be careful, ठीक है. चलिए, now this is 14.4 student. Now come on 14.5, exercise 14.5. 14.5 देखो 14.5. अब देखिए, now the next term is, देखो axis of symmetry are perpendicular bisector are the same things. What? Axis of symmetry are perpendicular of bisector. जैसे if you have to draw the axis of symmetry, देखो here I am going to define axis of symmetry. Clear student? देखिए ध्यान से, axis of symmetry, axis of symmetry, ठीक है ना. तो axis of symmetry are perpendicular bisector are the same term. देखो student कैसे, जैसे if you have to draw the axis of symmetry of this line, you don't take out the length. So what you will do, you will stretch your compass more than half. देखिए जैसे more than half of this line segment, so this is more than half, to one arc upside, one arc downside. Same method you will apply from this point, one arc upside, one arc like that downside, ठीक है ना. तो देखो now what you have to do student, we have to join these lines. देखो तो this is like perpendicular bisector or axis of symmetry. मतलब in any case you have to take more than half of a line segment and one arc upside, one arc downside, ठीक है ना. अब देखो this is straight line है, both are perpendicular to each other. This is known as axis of symmetry. Clear student? Symmetry is two equal part, you know that very well. चलिए come on question 14.5 question number 1. देखिए question number 1 is given, draw AB of length 7.3 cm and find its axis of symmetry. Same we discuss how to find the axis of symmetry. It is given 7.3 cm. 7.3 cm. Here 7.3 cm. ठीक. This is our 7.3 cm students. Up you have to draw the axis of symmetry of this. अच्छा, name of this line segment is given AB. It is given AB. तो A B. अब you have to draw the axis of symmetry student ना, तो कैसे करेंगे axis of symmetry? देखिए from this point stretch your compass more than half, तो this is your more than half, ठीक है ना. फिर one arc upside, one arc downside. Another from this point one arc upside, one arc ऐसे downside. Clear student? तो one arc upside, one arc downside. अब what is the next step student? Next step we will join. देखिए like that, this is our line of symmetry, ठीक है ना. तो in this question axis of symmetry, this is of symmetry means you know that identical diagram. देखो this part is identical to this part and this is also perpendicular to each of them, ठीक है ना. तो line of axis are perpendicular bisector are the same thing. Clear students? देखिए next question, it is given student, draw a line segment of 9.5 and construct its perpendicular bisector, ठीक है ना. तो सेम कॉन्सेप्ट इज गिवन. I think now you are able to solve. तो सेम कॉन्सेप्ट यू हैव टू यूज स्टूडेंट, ठीक है ना? चलिए मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 3. Second question you will do yourself, students, because same question is given, only length is changed. Question number 3 is given. देखिए it is given. Draw the perpendicular bisector of XY whose length is 10.3 centimeter. ठीक. Take any point P on the bisector drawn. Examine whether Px equal to Py or not. ठीक है. तो देखिए थर्ड क्वेश्चन है जो सॉल्व. थर्ड इज गिवन. ड्रा लाइन सेगमेंट, ड्रा परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ XY whose length is 10.3. देखो वन लाइन इज गिवन whose length is 10.3. तो फर्स्ट वी ड्रा लाइन whose length is 10.3. ठीक है. दिस इज आवर लाइन. व्हाट इज गिवन? लेंथ इज 10.3 and this is given XY and this is 10.3 centimeter. Okay student, next is given. Take a point P on the draw the, अच्छा first we draw the perpendicular bisector में student, perpendicular bisector we have to draw. ठीक है ना? तो देखिए अब perpendicular bisector we have to draw. तो how we will draw the perpendicular bisector? देखिए again we will use the same process. देखिए परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर we have to draw. तो फर्स्ट इट इज गिवन तो अगेन फ्रॉम x more than half we will state your compass more than half. देखो more than half means one upside and one downside. ऐसे अगेन फ्रॉम y देखिए one upside and one downside. ठीक है ना? नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप स्टूडेंट we will draw, we will join. ठीक है. तो देखिए ध्यान से अब फर्स्ट स्टेप इज कंप्लीटेड. अब नेक्स्ट इज गिवन टेक एनी पॉइंट P ऑन द बाइसेक्टर. टेक एनी पॉइंट P ऑन द बाइसेक्टर. देखो ऑन द बाइसेक्टर यानी हियर दिस इज द बाइसेक्टर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? इट इज गिवन ना. देखो फर्स्ट इज गिवन ड्रा द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ XY. तो दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ XY. ठीक है ना? दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर. नेक्स्ट इज गिवन कि टेक एनी पॉइंट P ऑन द बाइसेक्टर. तो एनी पॉइंट P ऑन द बाइसेक्टर, तो हियर आई एम टेकिंग P ऑन द बाइसेक्टर. अब नेक्स्ट इज गिवन कि इज Px इक्वल टू Py. इट इज गिवन कि Px इक्वल टू Py और नॉट. तो देखो ध्यान से बेटा, देखो दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. अब परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर मींस डिवाइड इन टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. ठीक है ना? तो देखो Px एंड Py. तो व्हेन यू विल ड्रॉ ऑन योर कॉपी एंड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू मेजर देन you have to judge if this is equal or not. In my opinion I think this is equal because the length of Px will be equal to length of Py. So देखो when you will construct you will measure with the ruler, then you will write down if Px equal to Py, so you will write down yes. If Px equal to not equal to Py, so you will write down no. ठीक है ना? तो when you will measure you will obtain. Clear? Okay. Now come on question number B. Third, this is A. Now B part. So B part is given what? देखिए B part is given if M is the midpoint of XY. If M is the midpoint of XY. जैसे it is given. देखिए जैसे this is our line segment XY. Like M is midpoint. M anywhere here. So it is given. What can you say about the length of MX and XY? So it is given MX and XY. What you can say MX and XY? देखो ध्यान से बेटा, this is very good question. देखो MX is from here to here. mx और xy is from here to here. So if you will use your common sense, you will obtain कि mx is half of xy. कैसे? देखो ध्यान से, mx is this small, this part, मतलब mid part, मतलब from here to here, and xy is from first point to last point. So the length of xy is twice of m, twice of xm. So you can write down, what you can write down? mx is equal to half of xy, or xy is equal to twice of mx. Both answer are correct. ठीक है ना स्टूडेंट? देखो, I explain everything. कैसे? mx is from here to here and xy from first point to last point. So clearly you can see कि xy is twice of xm or xm is half of xy. Both are the same things. Clear student? You can write down anything. Okay? चलिए, now move to the next question. So B part I explained. Now come to the question number 4. देखो 4 is given. Draw a line segment of length 12.8 using compass. Divide into 4 equal part. देखो very good question it is given. Different type of question is given. देखिए it is given. Draw a line segment length 12.8 centimeter. 12.8 centimeter. देखिए ध्यान से. Line segment 12.8 centimeter is given. 12.8. This is our line segment. Name is given xy. नहीं, कोई no name is given ना, तो draw AB. अब what you have to divide in 4 equal parts. ठीक है ना? अब कैसे करेंगे 4 equal part? देखो it is very interesting. देखिए first part यानी first equal part मतलब you have to draw the bisector only. Bisector means equal. तो देखिए first from this point we will stretch your compass more than half. Because first we will draw the first bisector, one part downside. Same process from this point. Here, from here. देखिए, ठीक है? तो देखिए, this is our first part. Now we will join. ठीक है? तो this is first. अब now next you have to divide in 4 equal part ना. तो देखो 1 equal part to divide. Again you will divide this part and this part. Then it will come in 4 equal part. So again what we will do? अब देखो give name C. Give this name C. ठीक है? Again this point we have to divide A and C. A and C कैसे बेटे? देखो ध्यान से. From this point of A and C we have to take ना. तो stretch your compass more than half of AC. तो देखो more than half of AC like that. तो 1 R upside from this point upside and here. From C upside and here. This is a little bit slippery ना. ध्यान से देखो बेटा. 1 arm from A shooting upside, downside. Then from C upside and downside. Again we will match. ठीक है? तो दिस इज 2 equal part. ठीक है ना? नेक्स्ट इज गिवन. अच्छा 1 part 2 part. अब अगेन we will divide this part. Then we will find. तो अगेन from C to B. अब देखिए C to B. देखिए more than half. This is already more than half. तो upside and S downside. Again from B upside and downside. ठीक है ना स्टूडेंट? This is little bit long. ठीक है. अब देखिए ध्यान से. This is will join carefully. When you will see carefully, this is first part, second part, third part, fourth part. ठीक है ना? You can give name P, here C and here Q. अब देखिए, it's depend on you. मतलब अब now 4 equal part you divide. अब next we will measure with our ruler कि all are equal or not. देखो, when you will measure, all will be equal. Why? Because we bisect means equal part. ठीक है ना? So you will measure AP, you will measure PC, you will measure CQ, and you will measure QB. And you will write down what is coming. ठीक है ना? Then you will judge if they are equal or not. Clear student? So first we will divide in equal part, then we will measure. ठीक है ना? That was question number 4. ठीक? तो 4 done student. ठीक है? Now come on question number 5. Question number 5. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज गिवन स्टूडेंट कि विद PQ ऑफ लेंथ 6.1 सेंटीमीटर एज डायमीटर ड्रा सर्कल. अब यू नो दैट जैसे डायमीटर इज गिवन 6.1 सेंटीमीटर, यू हैव टू ड्रा द सर्कल. तो फर्स्ट वी विल नो, वी शुड नो द रेडियस. अब रेडियस कैसे करेंगे? 6.1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, इट विल कम व्हाट? 2 3 या 6. ठीक है ना? फिर 2 0 0 2 5 या 10. ठीक है? तो देखो, यू नो दैट कि 3.05 we cannot measure from the ruler. You know ना कि 3.5 is not 3.05. If 3.5 was given, then it is easy to measure. But it is 3.05, so we are not able to measure, my student. ठीक है? So due to this, we will use another method. ठीक है ना? Diameter is given 6.1 centimeter. So what we will do first, देखो first what we will do, we will draw the line segment of 6.1 centimeter. Line segment of 6.1 centimeter. देखिए 6.1. 6.1 centimeter. This is our 6.1 centimeter. Give name A, B. Clear student? Up when 6.1 is given, again what we will do student, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line. देखिए ध्यान से, perpendicular bisector मतलब more than half. This is more than half. तो one upside, one downside. Again one upside and one downside. ठीक है ना? When you will draw on your copy ना, this is very easy, but this is on blackboard. तो देखिए, this is perpendicular bisector. Now we will join. So we will join. देखिए ध्यान से, this is perpendicular bisector of AB. ठीक है ना? This is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Clear student? अब again what we will do? We will draw the circle from this point. क्या करेंगे? We will draw the circle from this point. तो you will put your pointer, ठीक है ना? And draw a circle. तो when you will draw the circle, it will come like that. कैसे? ऐसे. It will come like that in this way. ठीक है ना student? Clear student? Again I am going to explain. देखिए ध्यान से. First we will draw the line segment of 6.1 centimeter. ठीक है ना? 6.1 centimeter. Then we will draw the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of 6.1 centimeter. This is perpendicular bisector. Again what we will do, from this center na, because this is the perpendicular bisector. It means this is the form of radius. From this we will draw a circle with the help of compass. Means we will put our pointer on this point, give name O, and we will rotate our compass. Then we will form a circle. So by this you can draw the circle. That was question number 5. Question number 5. ठीक है ना student? This is question number 5. So by this process student you can solve question number 5. Clear student? So now till you solve all the question based on this, in next video we will discuss the next question. Thank you students.